How to get SSL certificate in Namecheap? Follow the instructions. Go to the Namecheap website and sign into your account. Navigate to the SSL certificate section and choose the type of certificate you need. Add the certificate to your cart and complete the purchase. Generate the certificate signing request from your hosting panel or server. Copy the CSR and return to your Namecheap account. Find the purchased SSL certificate and click on Activate. Paste the CSR and select your server type and validation method. Complete the domain ownership verification through email or DNS. Download the SSL certificate after it is issued. Install the certificate on your hosting server using the appropriate tools. Thank you for watching.